Hey guys, Donatella's Corner here. So today we're going to attempt to make a homemade pizza. So first time ever, so let's see how it goes. So let's go over our ingredients. Here we have a teaspoon of salt, tablespoon of olive oil, half a teaspoon of sugar, teaspoon of dry yeast, so like a half a packet, 3/4 of a cup of water, and last but not least, but 1.5 cups of flour. So we are making a small pizza just for about 2 people. So if you make it 4, just double up the number of ingredients and so forth. Okay, so first I'm going to combine my dry ingredients. So yeast, salt, and sugar, and mix it all together. So after my dry ingredients are mixed well together, I'm going to add my wet ingredients, which is olive oil, add water, and continue mixing. Okay, at this point my dough became a little bit more solid, so now we'll transport it to my table. Make sure I flour the surface first and continue kneading. Okay, so we are kneading the dough for about 10-20 minutes until we achieve a really nice elastic consistency. And if the dough appears to be too liquidy, too loose, just add more flour. If it's too dry, just add more water. Also, I forgot to mention that my pizza I'm making, it is a gluten-free pizza because the flour that I'm using is rice flour mixed with tapioca flour and a little bit of potato flour. So let's see how this turns out. Okay, so I think I'm happy with my dough. I have formed a little ball. At this point, we're actually going to put it in a bowl, but first I need to grease it a little bit with olive oil. And next we are going to place our bowl right here and set aside for at least 30 minutes, cover it up, and let it stay in room temperature to rise a little bit. Okay, so my pizza dough is ready. I'm going to go ahead and put some toppings. So first, we're going to put some olive oil so it doesn't get too dry. And next, we are going to put our tomato sauce that I have prepared while the dough was rising. So basically I use tomato paste with some garlic, salt, sugar, hot pepper flakes, and a little bit of garlic. Like so. Okay. Next we are going to put our toppings, and today I'm going to use a little bit of little sausages, yellow peppers, and olives. And lastly, we're going to use some mozzarella cheese to top it off. And I'm going to bake it for about 15 minutes at 370 degrees and see how it goes from there. So here it goes, my very first homemade pizza ever. Going into the oven. Here we go. Gonna start with 350 degrees. And here we go. We'll check on it after 15 minutes and see if that is sufficient amount of time. Looks slightly burnt, but let's see how it tastes. It took about 20 minutes. All right, let's see. How's the pizza?
Should have been a little bit less time, but other than that, it's good.